Who are you underneath the masks? And the question you have to ask you is, if I didn't fear judgment or shame, who would I be? What would I do? Here's some examples. I'm enough. I'm authentic. Messy. I'm allowed to be soft and powerful at the same time. Curious. How about playful? How about resilient? Or a truth teller? A healer? Maybe I'm sensitive, but I'm afraid to show people. It just dawned on me. People, oh my gosh. I'm sorry, you just witnessed a little epiphany within myself. I'm sensitive, but growing up, people didn't know that about me because I hid that part. That part was punished. That part was never welcome. I was always putting forth like a facade of nothing can bother me. I'm fine. I'm okay. No matter what. Truth is, I have a lot of sensitivity inside me, and people don't even know. Not even my own mom. My whole life growing up, she always told me that I was callous. So, who are you beneath your masks? I hope this gave you time to think about it, because this is your core. This is who you really are. That person wants to live.